Let me tell you all there is to know about our humble settlement called Springtide. Before the disaster, Springtide was known as a regular place for travelers to stay the night if the city gates were closed. Passers-by would purchase a bag of fine flour from the windmill, and the locals could visit the graves of their loved ones in the cemetery. Then came the two-tailed comet. It crashed into the city and buried itself deep into the earth, changing, corrupting. Springtide has since become a staging ground for bands of adventurers, mercenaries and cutthroats looking for riches in the city. Trading, recruitment and casual murder are the new normal in Springtide. So why not spend your hard-earned coin on weapons, supplies and perchance a bit of magic? I warn you though, when the sun sets, the dead rise from the cemetery and slowly shuffle into the streets, feeding upon the drunk and desperate. Yes, much has changed after the fall, yet Springtide thrives, just in a different way.